Hello dear traders, my name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly trading review. So our total profitability is plus 85%. You can see the chart of performance here on your screen, and the result of the last week is plus 1%. We also closed the previous months with a result almost plus 7%, and we have not closed a lot of deals yet, so that's why for December we have only plus like 0.09%. So let's take a look at the performance on MT4 platform, and we start as usual from our first currency pair, GBP to USD. So speaking about this currency pair, if you remember, we had two deals from the previous week. We were waiting for the market to fall a little bit lower to make another order, but it bounced back faster, and we closed our deal with profit. I think it was the best price of the highest price of the last week, and after this strong impulse, we obviously repeated our deal. We bought at this price, closed this deal with profit. And then when we saw that totally we covered a big distance with no sufficient correction, we also opened a deal to sell. We also closed it, and on Friday, when we were falling down to the previous lows, we also entered a buying position. Currently, if you speak about technical analysis, we can see that we are now in a downtrend, and we are looking for the market. If it continues to fall down, we'll be averaging our deal near the previous lows. If it will grow, we'll close our deal with profit. The next currency pair is GBP to Canadian dollar. Nothing has happened during the last week, because as you see, we were actually moving in this corridor that I created, I think, several months ago. If you remember, we started trading in this range in October, then we fell down for a couple of weeks, and then we turned back, and like we fully respect our old support and resistance lines. So so far we don't have any extra volatility on this instrument. We will not gonna be trading with it. When we renew our local lows or highs, we'll be buying or selling. The next currency pair is Euro to British Pound. Finally, we started our growth, and when we renewed our previous highs, we sold for the first time. Then we made the second top, and when we retested this second top and broke this resistance level, we entered another selling position. So if you'll take a look at the global picture, you will find that actually we are now in some like in a flat here. That is a part of a trend of a global downtrend. So actually selling in this downtrend, especially from resistance lines, is a profitable thing. So I suppose that the next week we're going to close our deals, both of these deals with profit. If not, we have some capacity to average these trades if the market will be growing. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. You can also see that during this week we had only actually one trade. We closed our deals from the previous week that we had opened here, and on Friday, after the news, the non-farm payrolls were released, and we retested our previous lows, we also bought. So I think that now we have one of the best entry points, because if we'll take a look at the global picture, we are very close to our previous lows. So it means that there is a big probability that price will bounce back, and we're going to close our deals with profit. Now, the next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. If we'll take a look at a technical picture, we can also say that we are currently now in some kind of a lateral movement. We have no open deals during the whole week, but on Friday, after we retested the lows we had from Thursday till Friday, we opened another buying position. Now we are waiting for the market to retest the previous low, and we'll be averaging our position. If it will fall furthermore, we'll average it once again, or if the price will bounce back from the current rates, we'll close our deals with profit after retesting the previous highs. And the last currency pair for today is Australian to Canadian dollar. It's an interesting currency because if we'll take a look at the global chart, let's say on a weekly time frame, we're gonna see that we are currently on the price rates from April 2020, so it means that we have some kind of historical lows here, and usually when price falls too deep, we can expect for good corrections. And also we have like 3 falling weeks in a row, so it means that the probability of forming another week, like the fourth week, with another color is much more bigger, because the more we fall with no significant correction, the more disbalance we have in the market. So if you speak about our deals, we can see that we closed our buying positions on the best price of the last week, and after we closed the position, market fell down, and when it was retesting our previous lows, we succeeded to buy and win once again. And then when we retested it once again, we also opened another buying position, and after non-farm payrolls fall, we also decided to average the deal. So we are waiting now for the market to bounce back and to close our deals with profit. I hope that you're making money together with us. If you have any questions or want to join our trading strategy, please feel free to write me on WhatsApp or Telegram and ask any questions. And for those of you who already subscribe, I want to wish you good luck the next week, and see you in 7 days. Have a good trading week.